Okay. Okay, welcome back. I owe you a video. And I haven't been doing, kind of going through and like, what do I have that I can make a video on? I've just been doing a whole bunch of little stuff. So I'm gonna give you an update on where we're at. So status of the C10. It's right there. There's the cab. The hood is right here. I've been working on it. I sanded it. I've been doing body work on it, getting it about done. I had a little bit of a low spot right here. I had a little divot right here and a little divot right there. I don't know why it was the same on both sides. No clue. And then I had a little dent right up here that I pulled out. And the trick I used to pull them out, because I don't have a stud welder or anything like that. So I took glue sticks. You can see how hard I pulled on that one? Pulled that one apart. So just take some hot glue gun, regular old Arts and Craft hot glue gun. I took a grinder that had the wheel for removing paint and stuff, and I ground it out where the dent was, and it heated the metal enough that you just take the glue stick and stick it on there, and I got the best adhesion when I let the metal melt the glue stick. I got it to stick well enough that I about pulled the glue stick in two. There's a little ding in it right here. About pulled the glue stick in two, pulling that out. So there's a little tip for you. Well, let's see, what else have I been working on? So this frame, you can see back here, at least the back half of it, it's all painted up, getting ready to start reassembling things. The front half I haven't done yet because I had the hood sitting up here. So I had the hood sitting on the front of it, but now I moved the hood to the back of it so I can finish this half of it. Didn't film any of that because it's super boring. There's just not anything really exciting to film. As if anything, my videos are exciting. Whatever. Anyway, there's the cab still sitting there. Haven't done anything with it. It's still just sitting in the corner. I've got the heads for the engine. I got them sitting here. I taped them all up. I got a good coat of paint on them. This is the exhaust side, so I don't really care if some paint goes in the exhaust hole. It doesn't matter. Anyway, it'll all just blow out anyway. I just plugged my spark plug holes. So I'll clean the paint off that gasket surface and whatnot, but anyway, that's the color of the motor, nice steel gray. And then I got the transmission, got it all power washed. By the way, when it's 30 degrees outside, it kind of sucks to power wash, just saying. So still has this greasy old 305, haven't gotten rid of it yet. That's the old door. I've got to get rid of that door because it's all dented up here. I'm not going to deal with that. That fender's good. I haven't found a door for this yet. I still have to find a door to replace that one, but I have to strip that door down, at least the inside door panel and everything, because I don't know what the donor door is going to have. So that's why it's still in the garage and not outside. Let's see, what else have I been doing? Getting ready to put these heads together. I'll probably show you some of that on a different video. Engine's over here. It's all covered up so I don't get any of the sander dust in it. Cab, I'll probably end up flipping the cab up on its, so the cab over here, I'll probably end up turning it up on its back, and I'm going to try power washing the bottom of it if the temperature outside comes up above 30 degrees. And then I'll be able to paint the underside of it. So I never intended to take this project to this point. It just wasn't my intention. But I pulled the bed off of it so I could do the cab corners on the cab. The bed was off of it, and I saw how bad a shape the frame was in, and so I got another frame, and then I had to pull the front clip off of it to get the motor out because I had to take that fender off, and I had to do inner fender wells, and so one thing led to another, and here we are. So that's about where we're at. That's the update on the C10. I still have done nothing with the core support. That all has to be cleaned up and done. Yeah, still have to buy my rotors for my 6-lug conversion, but that should be not a problem. And then what I'm waiting on right now is I gotta order my cab mounts, put new cab mounts in it, and order motor mounts and the transmission mount. That way I can get the cab put back on the frame. That'll be, I'll put all that in another video. Put the cab back on the frame. So it's out of the corner over there, so I can actually use that side of my garage for body work, for doing fenders and stuff like that. I have no space in here, like no space. So I need a shop one day. Anyway, that's where we're at. That's the update on the C10. That's the video for this week. Nothing super exciting, but yeah, have any questions, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, comment below. Thanks for watching.